Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do I turn off location on WhatsApp. So let's head over to our WhatsApp application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired WhatsApp account and then head over to the three dots icon on the top right. Go to settings. Now you will find several options. So if you have turned on your location in here, you'll be able to see that and go back, and let's head over to a group and go to the paperclip icon, go to location and turn on the location. I'm turning it on to show you. So I'm sharing my live location. So to stop the sharing of the live location or location, what I need to do is just to tap on stop sharing, and here this layout will arrive. Stop sharing live location, just tap on stop and the live location is ended. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. This is how you can just turn off your location on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next